Okay, this is a prep fridge or an open fridge. So it's an open cooler that leaks water when it's not maintenance. And this particular tank here needs to be cleaned frequently every 6 months. If you don't maintenance, the sensor will not activate the heater. It also has a pan up here. This is another pan that it gets filled with water that eventually drops down through that hose down into this evaporator pan. So you need to actually clean both areas. This particular tank up here, that looks like a tray. It has a water hose attached to it. So you can use it's a hose basically for drainage. Right now it's not attached to anything, as you can see up here. But basically it's to drain, and that area up there gets pretty clogged with stuff on there that you're about to see, and sticking my fingers in there. And this here clogs the drain itself, and that's where all your problems start to appear. So it also has a heater up there, which I can actually feel the water's pretty hot up there. Okay, so that needs to be pumped out, and for that you need a special pump especially to take care of this problem. And that pump you can only find on a website called Out for Grabs or Commercial Equipment Parts.com. So you can log in either way. But if you need any parts for commercial equipment, just log into outforgrabs.com. It can also be found in Spanish, partescomerciales.com. And that's where you will find the things you need to solve all these and have your solutions. So now you know what to do.